Well, so much for fishing this fun little pond. We just got kicked off.
A beauty.
Big, 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 big. Oh yeah. Oh, chew! Spot 2, pond number 2. This one's have we ever ice fished this one before? No.
No, we haven't.
But will we catch something out of here? Who knows? Oh, stay tuned. Oh, big, 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 big. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. On camera, on camera, on camera.
Hey, watch your drag, watch your drag. I'm here. Oh, so he's big.
Big.
Big enough.
Here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah! Another largemouth bass. Through the ice on a little baby jig. Ah! They smell just as good through the ice, I swear to God. Don't bite my thumb! Here we go. Oh yeah! Oh, there we go.
Look at all this size. Bam! Oh, he took my plastic. On the little first ever largie.
Right now, looks like that'd be good. That's a good photo right there. Boom. All right. Hold on, let me. Yeah,
Oh shoot! First ever large through the ice.
Oh.
Got something, dude?
Yeah,
Holy got a Jacob.
it's big.
I hit one in the head. I jigged down and I felt it.
You felt it?
It was like ding.
I've got him up to 5 foot right now. It's 11 foot.
I do
here.
too. I have them from 5 foot to 7 foot. All red. Another sausage. Little sausage bass.
Sausage bass.
Look at him, he looks like a little fucking kielbasa.
It's a little fish taco.
Looks like a little fucking bratwurst. Put him on a bun. Got him on the GoPro. A beauty. Little cookie cutter. Maybe 1 pounder. Oh yeah. I think they smell better in the ice. Ready for the release? Can we get a... Make a pair of bibs that has a couple legs on the ass end of it that fold up when you stand up and when you go to sit down. They fold out.
Did you see that?
I did. I saw you miss another fish.
You didn't see that? It just cranked it.
Like bait?
Like that. Oh, again. Yeah. Oh, bee.
You didn't believe me, dude.
I'm not even kidding. A bee fucking flew in my face. Where are they biting this shit at?
Oh!
I just got gonna drill some more holes.
Where?
In between the holes.
How's it going? What? No, my grandparents live down on Acadia. What's your grandparents' name? Roseanne? What? Roseanne!
What's her last name? Well, there's no fishing on these ponds. Plus there's no fishing.
We're catching bass. A bunch of bass.
These are private ponds. They're not public.
What are we hurting? I mean, we can, let's just go somewhere else.
Like that.
If necessary, I call the sheriff to come and ask you to leave.
Okay.
Trespassing.
Okay. Don't know what we're harming.
Well, so much for fishing this fun little pond. We just got kicked off by some real friendly old timer.
Should we let the cops come for the views?
Should we let the cops come? That's a good idea. No, we're gonna clean up. We're gonna get out of here. There's no need to cause a ruckus. We caught some bass. We're not done. We're gonna go somewhere else, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See, that's just the thing. Why is a piece of water, frozen piece of water, not available to fish?
Over 50 yards away from every house.
Does this person living in this house have mind us? No. Does that? No. No. We have caused zero harm to this body of water, to these fish, to these people in the surrounding. Why in the world do people gotta get so upset? Why do people gotta get so butthurt over people fishing, having fun? That's why, because they're not having fun like we're having fun.